31 Island Way, Bassendean. Very large home in an 819 square metre block. At least double car carport up the front here, possibly larger. Front living space. You've got fans, split cycle aircon and ducted air conditioning. You've got a primary kitchen just here. Lots of storage, lots of space, another split cycle aircon unit. Bit of a hobby space, potentially another bedroom here you could use this as. Toilet. Sort of a secondary kitchenette space here. Through to the back room. This could be used as a bedroom or a storage room in this case. One of the bathrooms. We'll have a look at the backyard in a moment. Right now, let's check out the large undercover space, which is just awesome for entertaining. Built-in outdoor barbecue, garden space, side access down there. Have a look at the backyard. So yes, very large block, zoned R20. And a large workshop too. Drive-through access to the rear workshop and backyard. Back inside. Let's now have a look through to the bedrooms. So here is our front living space. Through to the kitchen where we were before. And bedrooms are along this way. Starting with the laundry and the toilet. Another bedroom. Ducted aircon here. Family bathroom. Glass shower. Another bedroom with a ceiling fan, view open to the central living space outdoors. Another bedroom. The last bedroom, which you would probably say this one's the master. Split cycle AC, ceiling fan and ducted. And a large mirror door built-in robe and roller shutters. Lots of space, so much potential. That is 31 Island Way in Bassendean.